Edge control panel and display replacement. Welcome to Fujifilm's Sonosite service training on the Sonosite Edge. In this video, we will cover removal of the control panel and display. It is important that proper precautions are taken during servicing to protect the system and its internal components from electrostatic discharge. It is recommended that all work be performed on an ESD-safe mat and that a grounding strap be worn by whomever is performing the service. Always ensure the system is powered off and disconnected from AC before servicing. When reinstalling boards, ensure that the proper torque is applied and that screws are tightened in a crisscross pattern with power drivers set to low speed to minimize stress on the boards. For this portion of servicing the Edge, you will need a number 1 and number 2 Phillips head screwdriver bit and a small tool for prying. Begin by removing the Edge from its stand and taking out the battery. Remove 8 screws from the bottom cover. Take note of the location of the 2 longer screws. The bottom enclosure can now be removed. If present, remove the 2 Phillips screws from the sides of the mid-frame. Set the system on its bottom and open the display facing you. Carefully separate the bezel from the mid-frame around the enclosures. Be mindful of the adhesive holding it in place and lift straight up on the back corners to minimize the chance of damaging the bezel. Remove the 10 Phillips screws from the perimeter of the control panel. Remove the 2 screws securing the hinge cover and pry the hinge cover free. Lay the system back on the display and lower the control panel down onto the display. This will allow you to disconnect the cables from the control panel and remove the control panel. Remove the 2 Phillips screws in each hinge from the mid-frame. The display is now free. There is no repair of the display assembly. If it fails, it must be replaced. If assistance with ordering parts or isolating repairs is needed, please contact Fujifilm Sonosite Technical Support.